Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your CVS Health account on your website. So let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to CVS Health website. You can do this by typing CVS Health Login. Now click on My Chart login page. After that, you will be directed to sign in page of CVS Health. Enter your username and your password, then click on sign in. If you have forgotten your login information, you can click on forgot username to recover it, or you can click on forgot password and recover your password. If you are new to CVS Health and do not have an account, then you can click on create an account. You can also sign in to CVS Health by simply typing your activation code. Click here to type your activation code. CVS Health login page also facilitates you to look for COVID results for minors. Simply click here and know it. You can also pay to CVS Health as a gift. Simply click here and pay your bill. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to CVS Health. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tutorials.